Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GBSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, the bulls have made a very nice price movement. I don't think anybody can sit around and say that from where it was, down in the triple zeros to where it is right now, that, it hasn't been a good move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? So that's kind of the big story. And the big question here is whether or not, this has any sort of genuine power behind it. And I have no idea. But the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to me, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 0011. Why is 0011 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 0011. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps starting to go in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. Truly bullish moves show signs of progress. And in this case, I'm defining quote-unquote progress as staying up above 0011. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? So let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance is just simply where the price couldn't quite make any progress today. That's at 0016. And then after 0016, the next level where, according to the past history of the chart, there's been quite a few sellers sitting around right up there at 0018. You can see that, like I said, going back to the history, price got rejected by it there, and then a whole bunch of times right there, price couldn't quite get above it. So, but no point in talking about 0018 until the bulls can first fight above 0016. But no doubt about it, past couple of days have been very nice. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.